Ready to ditch the demo account and trade with real capital. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your TopstepTrader account to NinjaTrader so you can finally access your funded account and start trading live. First, log into your TopstepTrader dashboard and navigate to platform settings. Here, you'll find crucial information for connecting to NinjaTrader. Take note of your username, password, and the server address. You'll need these credentials to link your account. Make sure you copy them exactly as they appear. Now, open your NinjaTrader platform. Go to the Control Center. Click on Configure, then select Accounts. In the Accounts window, click Add and from the drop-down menu, choose NinjaTrader Continuum. This is the connection type for TopstepTrader. A configuration window will pop up here. Carefully enter the username, password, and server address that you copied from your TopstepTrader dashboard. Double-check for any typos. Click Apply and then OK. Your TopstepTrader account should now appear in the Accounts window. Finally, in the NinjaTrader Control Center, ensure your connection status for your TopstepTrader account changes from disconnected to connected. This confirms a successful connection. And that's it. You're now ready to trade your TopstepTrader funded account directly through NinjaTrader. Happy trading! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips.